I am installing the car seat base for the Evenflo Shyft DualRide, and I'm going to install it in the middle seat, so I am unable to use the latch system because this car lacks the latch system. So I'm going to show you how to do it in the middle seat. So you're going to press this button to open up this belt lock. You're going to have to use the seat belt to do this because especially this car for the middle seat, which is the safest position for car seat, lacks the latch. You're going to pull this shoulder belt, and there is a hole on the bottom of the base here. You're going to pull this through that hole. Give yourself enough slack so you can get all the way to the other side. Get to the other side, come through this hole right here, right? And then you want to make sure you're latching it to the correct seat belt hole. Once you have that, make sure you slide it in to proper place here. I have this seat protector here that I'm going to make sure I have it correctly positioned. Then we're going to pull that belt tight so that it's correctly seated. And then you're going to close this middle latch. When you close it, it's supposed to create that click, and this is supposed to turn green. So it was red, now it's green. And so now you can see that base barely moves, it's correctly in place. And now you're ready to install your wheel protectors. So this protects your seat from the wheels of the stroller part of it. And then same thing on the other side. You're just gonna align these two and then it'll fall in place. There you go. Now the wheel protectors are in place, so you can see that there's enough space for the car seat to get in because that's how wide the car seat is. That's going to drop in the car seat and make sure everything's properly aligned. You can see that this base has wheels off mode to use it without the attachment and wheels on mode. So you're going to slide it to the wheels on mode so you can go ahead and install the car seat with the wheels on. Then we're just going to align the wheels with the wheel well and drop it in place, and there you go, car seat's ready to use. And you can see there's barely any move. You want to make sure it's all stable, locked in place, and it is, and we're ready to use our car seat. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.